Hey everyone, and welcome to this new series on the Raspberry Pi Zero W. If you're not familiar with the Zero W, it's basically a scaled down version of the Raspberry Pi Model B. So we still have the micro SD card over here, but we have mini HDMI and we have micro USB for the data. We still have micro USB for the power, and these look the same, but one's for power and one's for data, so you don't want to get them mixed up. You won't hurt anything, just your mouse won't work or whatever you have plugged in. So this is for the camera, and it works with the same Raspberry Pi camera, but you need an adapter wire for that. It's a little bit smaller. Then over here we have the GPIO holes. They're not pins, but they work the same way. You just need to solder a header in if you want to use it that way. A lot of people will just solder their project in to whatever pin they needed rather than to use a header. But if you wanted to use it for development, we have this kit, and it has several different colors of the case available, and we have this little snappy that goes into this mount so you can put it up on the wall or whatever. Then we have the adapter cables and some breadboard wires and an 8 gig SD card. So before I wrap this one up, I wanted to show you what these tutorials are about. This is our website, tinkerpie.com, and all the tutorials are linked together, so they kind of build on each other. So if you, for example, search for microbit, and you go down here to the ultrasonic sensor and click on that. The yellow here is the tutorial that you're on currently, and the three before it are ones that build up to it. They're more introductory. So if you find yourself stuck here, you can go back. Then the ones after it are either equivalent or more advanced. So if you scroll on down, we've got some video clips inside. It's not the entire video, just pieces of it. So they're going in double speed, so if you want to watch and read, you can do that. But you can also click on the video and it will skip to that portion of the video. So if you want to see more detail about something, you can do that. So that's all we're going to do in this video. In the next one, we're going to be loading the operating system onto the Zero, and more fun stuff after that. So thanks for joining me, and have a great day.